Alrighty.
Bloody good fish.
Gaz is on. It's a fucking bluefin salmon.
It's just peppering.
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 Chip.
Still going. Still running. Mate, if this is a grunter, it's going to be exactly what we're after.
Mr. G Runto, eh?
Good nice run, eh?
Bloody hell.
Oh, here we go. He's right under us. Oh, nice.
Oh, fish.
Fucking oath.
You on spot lock again?
Oh, it can be.
We don't want to lose that spot, mate.
Right, I'm
Oh,
gonna.
geez, I hope this is a grunter. Let's get the top of the water around here. What the fuck is that?
Yeah, he actually didn't have the
Oh, nice. He just grew.
Could be threading too,
Fuck, how good would that be? Oh, we just nearly had a look.
Serious headlock.
yeah. Later.
Oh, it's a snapper.
Is it snapper or
That's a
Jerry?
big snapper.
Get fucked.
It's 50 at least, let's call it. It's got 50.
Target fish yet, you just know.
Oh, it's a Jew.
That's a fucking legal.
Legal too, though.
Oh, that's illegal.
That's illegal, mate.
No,
No, it's illegal.
he's just under, I reckon.